Okay, so welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube icon using just a website. So it's going to be really easy. But before we get started, I remind you, if you're enjoying my videos, please leave a sub because that would be really great for my channel. Okay, so first thing first, we need to understand what's that website. So I'm using a website called Canva and typing canva.com and yeah, sorry, that's some noise. And you can see, you can search for YouTube icon. It's 800 by 800 pixels. Okay, so we are going to create your own icon. So just head over to blank and okay, so untitled design. It's great. So now we are going to add a background for your icon. In this video I'm going to make a new gamer but icon, so I'm going to Google some gaming background. So you can search anything. I'm just going to download this thing. Okay, so it has some copyright. Write it down. Okay, I'm just gonna say gaming, and so this is when upload step come in handy. Okay, so go and hit upload and select device and gaming. Yes, do that. You can see it's loading. My internet is some kind of poor, so you can just drag and drop and right click. You can see set image as background. Boom. Now you can see it's not what you expected, right? So detach image from background. That is not looking right. Okay, so I'm just gonna and few steps down. Okay, so that's not what you expected. So I'm just gonna use this and replace background. Okay, so easy, right? So that's the text thing. So next we want to add some text. So the channel we are going to create is gamers. Okay, so gamers, and we need to scale down it a little bit. Okay, that is what we are looking for. Now let's just okay, so you need some emojis. So I'm just going to go to openmoji.com because you know openmoji is the best emoji finding website. It's free for designers, developers and everyone else. Okay, I'm gonna just search for man, and then I'm gonna add some other emojis like I don't know. Okay, it's your creativity. Yeah, if you're creative you can create things, but if you're like me and you are not creative, just don't go to Canva. It's very easy. So he doesn't look like a gamer. For a gamer we need something like no. Okay, yeah, man. Game, so I'm just gonna say so I'm just gonna download this. Just download PNG, do not use SVG because you know cannot listen. You don't know. Okay, now let's go to upload tab, device, and okay, So that's great. He looks like an epic gamer. Just waiting for upload. And now one click. Oh no. And you can see gamers are about that epic gamer. So double click it, right click it, and bring forward. Easy as that. By using these white circles, you can scale him up like this or these. Don't worry. Just kidding. Okay. So you can see gamers, ultimate gamers, and then we need other stuff like PS4. Some stuff like for gaming, and let's see what are those. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go to component and animal signature. Dog. PNG. Do not download SVG because Canva does not support SVG, but you don't know. So let me just quickly tell you that. Okay. So then you can see our dog. Okay. What is the thing between dogs and gamers? They are not neighbors. Okay, so don't worry, we are doggy gamers. Okay, as you can see, pretty easy. So now let's add some emojis. Gamers like some bright emojis. No, we are just going to use. Okay. Santa Claus? Santa? Nah. This. Okay. So now you can see I'm just gonna add a clown for serious places and funny things. So now so far so good. So let's download it. Okay, so it's suggesting PNG, but do not use PNG. Just use JPG. If you use PNG, there will be problems when uploading the image. Oh, good design. Oh no. There are some pretty useful thoughts about your life. Read it, people. Okay, so now it's downloaded. Now you can upload it to your channel, and that's it for this video. So next video will be creating channel art, and there will be videos of creating thumbnails and other stuff like that. So make sure to subscribe. Okay, so if you don't know how to subscribe, just go to Piegenix, search for Piegenix, and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and all. And that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next video. I'm Piegenix, and that's it. Bye.